given in your textbook page number 2. What is the meaning of this? All of you easily recognize this. This is called as dot. And if you observe, this is dot, this is point. So from one point, we can easily draw innumerable lines from one point. जितनी लाइंस चाहो आप उतनी लाइंस आप एक पॉइंट से क्या कर सकते हो, ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. इट मीन्स पॉइंट इज वन, पॉइंट इज गिवन O point is given, and from that O point you can easily draw infinite lines. Infinite lines, it means we cannot able to count the lines. How many lines we can draw from the one point. So this is called as. What is the meaning of this? An infinite number of lines we passes through the one point. If you want to write down this infinite number of lines, infinite number of lines passes through one point. And please pay attention to this statement, because this statement is occur in your fill in the blank, or how that statement occur. This is your fill in the blank. Dash number of lines passes through one point. So infinite number of lines passes through one point. Or this is also your fill in the blanks. Infinite number of lines passes through dash point. How many points we can draw infinite number of lines? So one point. We can draw only one point, and we can easily draw infinite number of lines from this one point. We cannot able to count that such types of number of lines. So how many number of lines, particular number of lines, 10 number of lines or 20 number of lines we can draw from one point, we cannot able to say. So pay attention. Next thing, when two or more lines pass through the same point, two or more lines. Suppose again in front of you one point is given, two or more lines, just like this, two or more lines. So four lines are in front of you. We can give the names to that four lines also, A, B, C and D. Four number of lines. Look at, this is A line, this is B, this one C and this one D. Four lines we can draw from the one point. So what is the definition? When two or more lines passes through the same point, they are called as concurrent lines. Concurrent lines. Concurrent lines. What is the meaning of lines? Whenever point is given in front of you, और two or more line, दो से ज्यादा लाइंस अगर एक ही पॉइंट से पासेस होते हैं जाते हैं, तो उसको क्या कहा जाता है? कॉन्करेंट लाइंस कहा जाता है. एंड द कॉमन पॉइंट थ्रू विच दे आर पासेस, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कॉन्करेंस पॉइंट. और जो कॉमन पॉइंट से वो जाते हैं, कॉमन पॉइंट था पॉइंट O, दैट पॉइंट इज नोन एज कॉन्करेंस पॉइंट. इट मीन्स कॉमन पॉइंट इज नोन एज concurrence point. Okay, so we can easily see today, that is how to, what is the meaning of point, what is the meaning of line, what is the meaning of line segment, and then after we see that is infinite number of lines passes through the one point, and meaning of concurrent line and meaning of concurrence point. If from one point we can draw two or more than two lines, that is called as concurrent line. That line is called as concurrent line. So line A, line B, line C and line D are called as concurrent line. And that common point means what? That lines passes through the same point. That common point is known as concurrence point. These things we have learned today. Okay. So next after we have to see one more thing. Pay attention properly. So this is the last topic in this lecture, that is only we have seen. Next thing, if look at the figure in front of you, dots are given. Dots are given in this way. So there are dots. How many count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dots are given in front of you. We can easily give them names also, A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Okay, we can given the names to that dots also. If you choose any 2 points, how many lines can be passes through them? If you choose 2 points, we can also I can choose first B and C. From B and C, I can pass only one line. From C and F, I can pass one line. From E and F, again I can pass one line. From D and E, again I can draw, and I can easily draw from 2 points only one line. So again I can choose A and H. I can easily draw 1 point. So what is the meaning of that? Only one and one line passes through the given 2 points. Whatever points are given in front of you, and you are choosing any point, just like these 2 points, so you can draw only one line. You can choose these 2 points, so you can draw only one line. You can choose these 2 points, so you can draw only one line. You can choose these 2 points, again you can draw only one and only one line. So meaning of this is that only one and one line passes through the given 2 points. And next thing we have to see, suppose the dots are given in front of you just like this. Again pay attention. Okay. So we can give the names to that dot also, A, B, C and D. What is the meaning of this? 3 or more points which lie on a straight line, they are called as collinear points. What is the meaning of collinear point? The points are given in a straight line. Agar 3 or more points lie on a single straight line, that points are known as collinear point. Collinear points means what? अगर हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे डॉट्स ड्रॉ किए थे A, B, C, D and these dots are in a straight line, so we can easily draw a straight line. What is the meaning of this? If we can draw 3 or more dots on one line, that are called as collinear points. And if you observe these points A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, if you observe the dots, these dots are not in a straight line, so these are called as non-collinear point. जब dots एक line में नहीं आते हैं तो उनको क्या कहा जाता है? Non-collinear points कहा जाता है. And last point of this topic, that is parallel lines, and with the help of all such types of things, you have to solve the exercise. What is the meaning of parallel lines? Again, one figure is in front of you. This is called as plane. This figure is known as plane. Okay. So, in the plane, first of all, we have to see what is the meaning of plane. Then we can see what is the meaning of parallel lines. Plane means what? In mathematics, a flat surface it is called as plane. Mathematics में जब भी कोई flat surface आप लोगों को दिया जाता है तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? Plane कहते हैं. So blackboard is also your plane. Flat surface is given, your table is also a plane. So this is figure of plane, and in that plane I can draw first 2 lines, line L and line M. M and L, these 2 lines I can easily draw in the plane. So line which lie in the same plane. अभी ये दोनों लाइनें को same plane में ही एक ही plane में दी गई है and do not intersect each other. Same plane lines are given in the same plane and they are not intersecting. Intersecting means what? वो एक दूसरे को touch कर रही है. They are not intersecting each other. These lines are said to be parallel to each other. ये दोनों लाइन को क्या कहा जाता है? Parallel कहा जाता है. Parallel means what? You can increase the line. They are go forward in straight. They are not intersecting each other. एक दूसरे को क्या नहीं कर रही है? इंटरसेक्ट नहीं कर रही है, मतलब वो एक दूसरे को टच नहीं कर रही है. They are going straight in this way. These are called as parallel to each other. Suppose one line is given in front of you, just like this. These are also called as parallel line. Why these are called as parallel line? Because if I can increase the line, this comes like this. This one's first line is comes like second line. That's why this is also called as parallel line. So all of you properly understand what is the meaning of dot, line segment. Then after we have seen what is the meaning of ray, collinear point, non-collinear point, concurrent line, concurrence point, and last thing plane and parallel line. All such types of things we have learned, and with the help of this you have to solve today's exercise or your practice set 1 and show it to me tomorrow. Okay, chalo, bye all of you.